Hello, hello, hello. This is Frida. Welcome to my channel. I hope everyone's doing well. Well, this is really hard to fit in the screen, so this is all I can do. It's pretty wide. Okay, I did a tutorial on how to crochet this stitch and how to start up, top down. I think 5 months ago. It's unbelievable, but I think I have over 100 whips surrounded by me. So what I did is I finished a couple of whips and I saw this just staring at me. Finish me, finish me. So what I did is I've been working on it today, on and off. So I'm at the part where I'm going to divide the body parts. Okay, this is crocheted. So when I say divide the body parts, what I'm going to do is I'm going to separate the sleeves from the body, and then I'm going to continue crocheting and the body, and I will come and do the sleeve because I have 4 more of this. I believe 4. Yeah, I finished the second ball, so I have 4 more. I bought a total of 6 of this gorgeous yarn, and I did a yarn haul. So what I'll do is at the end of this tutorial I will add the clip. I guess I can add 2, and then you can go and look at them and how to start up. And I will create a playlist because I'm getting so many comments on different videos. How do you divide the body parts? How do you pick up stitches? So when you go and find out how to pick up stitches, divide the body parts, you can go and check, because I have a couple of tutorials on how to do this. So this is the willow yarns that I bought from Hirschner's, I believe, 5 months ago. Yeah, time flies by, and this is the name of the color, and I fell in love with it. So it's 87% cotton, 13% nylon, made in China. You can also buy this, but not this color. I searched and searched. You can't find this color, but there are different colors and for a cheaper price. And it's about 100 grams. And here are all the information. Okay, so what I did is I crocheted from the beginning all the way where I do my increase. I removed the markers because I don't need them anymore. I had markers all the way where the V's are here. Okay, so what I did is I did my stitch pattern as I followed, and I'm not going to make a V. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make a double crochet, and then I'm going to grab the other increase part here, right here. Okay, here is my V. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm not going to do any more increases because we're done with the increases. Again, for different sizes, you need to do your increase. Okay, for me, it's a plus size. Let me give you that information because I get that question a lot, and I explain on every video. I don't know how else to explain. Okay, so what I did is I crocheted about 10 inches. It's really hard to fit. Here we go. I haven't blocked it yet, so this will stretch a bit. So it's about 10 inches for me. 2 extra, 3 extra, you need to crochet 10 inches. If you are small size, 7 inches. Between medium, I would say 8 inches where you start. For a large size, I would say 8.5. And for extra large, I would say 9 to 9.5. Okay. And again, I would measure your bicep. That's very important. The biggest area of your arm when you divide the body parts, which is this, from one increase to another increase. You need to measure that part as well. Okay, so mine is 16, and when I add this, so this is about 19, but when I do the adding, that will shrink to 18, so I will give it about 1 to 1 inch room for my underarm, for my bicep area, which is the largest part of your arm. Okay, so let me grab that again. So here is that V. So this is the bicep area, your biggest, largest underarm area. Okay, we don't want it tight, right? Okay, so I'm going to make a double crochet. That's all I'm doing, nothing else. Ta-da! So this is how I joined. And this is the underarm here. See? If you want to make a vest, you don't have to do sleeves. But I'm planning to make something a little bit longer than a vest with sleeves. Okay, so I'm just going to continue crocheting the pattern, the stitch pattern. Okay. And I just look what I did. So I did a picot. I just followed the pattern. That's all I'm doing. So I'm not going to go over the pattern because I already did how to start up, how I did the tutorial. So it's a 2-row repeat, this the stitch pattern that I have used for this top down. Okay, I think I made something wrong. Yeah, I did. I went to the wrong picot. Okay, this is the V. Here we are. It happens, we're all human beings, right? We can make mistakes, but to try to catch that mistake before you go further. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to crochet all the way to the next increase, which is this V, and I'm going to join the other one. This is going to be a short tutorial. Just wanted to go over this, and I will add this video to the other video, and then this is how, when we come here, I will show you how to add those together just like this, how I did it. It's very simple, no chain, nothing. Or else there's another method I can show, but I'm going to leave this the way it is, because on the next row I'm going to make okay, so on the next row, here we are, so I'm going to make a double crochet right here in the middle. Yeah, maybe I'll do that. Okay, here's another trick that you can do. Instead of pulling these two, okay, so we do double crochet, but we pull the first, and then I grab the other V right here, cluster, that's what I'm going to make, and then I'm going to make a double crochet, but I'm going to pull like this, the first two, and then I'm going to pull the remaining 3, so I will have 1. See, and I will make a double crochet on the next row. Here's another method that you can make. And I continue crocheting the stitch. Okay, so I will come to that other increase and I will do the same thing. See, I think this is way better. See how it looks? And then I can make my double crochet right on top of here. So I don't have to worry about those 2 double crochets that I showed at before. There's no written pattern. I make these up as I go. It really depends on what comes to my mind while I'm creating something. And I thought this would be way better, this method, this technique. Okay, I'll meet you at the other side. I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm at the other side where I do my increase. So I'm going to join. I'm going to make my double crochet, but I'm going to first pull the first 2 loops. And I'm going to grab that other end of the increase here. And then I'm going to go yarn over, and then I'm going to make a double crochet but pull 2, leave the remaining, and then I'm going to pull all these 3 loops at once, and I'm just going to continue crocheting. So this is all to it. So this is how we join, and then we just continue crocheting the next row. So I will finish this row and I will show you how not to do any increases anymore, because we're done with the increases. So I'm just gonna crochet my body just back and forth. And if I need to do increases, that's another story. So but at this point I'm not going to do any increases because I'm okay. I'm not going to make a huge long cardigan. So just to point out, I have 4 more, so I might use the 2 on the sleeves and then crochet the remaining on the body of the cardigan. Okay, so I will meet you and on the next row, and I will show you how to crochet this part that what we got rid of. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm right at the underarm. So I'm just doing my pattern, how I've been crocheting. So I make the previous one is a double crochet, and here I'm going to make a picot, and then here I'm going to make a double crochet, and I'm just going to continue crocheting how the rhythm follows by. So I'm just following. So I just need to pick the right stitch to continue crocheting. So this is all I'm doing. So I just came right at that underarm where I pulled at 3, remember? And that's all I'm doing. So I made my picot, and I'm just going to continue crocheting. So I haven't added anything, I haven't decreased anything, I just continue crocheting. And this is how you divide the body parts. And I hope you like this short tutorial. I just wanted to give you some easy techniques. I've been showing you on several tutorials, but while I was at it, it's already dividing the body parts. I thought to myself, let me show you how to start up, how to attach the underarm, and then continue on. So I hope you like this short tutorial. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, share it with your family and friends, and don't forget to hit that notification button. So every time I post a new video, you will be notified, indicating that there's a new video out there for you guys to see. Okay, so I'll see you on my next video. I will try, I don't know when I'm going to finish this. But as soon as I finish this ball, this cake, I will come and I will show you how to pick up stitches for this garment, this stitch. And yeah, so stay tuned for new upcoming videos, and I'll see you on my next video. Take care, everybody. Try to stay safe, and happy crocheting.